In this video, I'm going to teach you how to sort from left to right in Excel. And so in this case, we have multiple different treatments as our headers, and right now they are all mixed up within each other. And instead of copy and pasting each column, we're just going to allow Excel to sort the data for us. If we select the cells that we want to sort, we can go to Data and then Sort. This is automatically going to be set to sort from left to right. And so when you see it, we now have the headers of each column as what we can sort by. But if we click options, we can actually change between sorting top to bottom or left to right. So we're going to sort left to right. This will now give us the row data in which we can sort with. And so in this case, we're going to sort by row 1 to get all of the treatments aligned with each other. And when we do that, we now have each of the treatments now aligned with each other. And that is how you can sort horizontally in Excel.